When you order a curry at your restaurant, do you know how much work goes into that? It's not just the chef, it's not just a few spices like how we cook a curry at home, but it's a colossal amount of work from the entire team, a massive amount of ingredients, preparation, tandoori chef, rice chef, people to do the preparations, chefs, people to keep an eye on everything, oversee the whole operations. It's colossal. So more particularly with Indian food than most other cuisines where you have just so many ingredients in each dish. So we're going to have a look in the kitchen today, find out what's going on, what goes into all those delicious curries that you enjoy at your local restaurant. And we're in Maya Bar and Grill in Atherstone near Tandoor. Excellent restaurant, pop over. Anyway, let's get to it. Ready for a busy night, 120-seater restaurant. So look at all these rings here. I bet quite often, Naj, you have all these on, full of pans. Look at all the pans ready for action. So we've got salt, almond powder, coconut powder, mixed powder, Chinese salt, curry, chili powder, kasuri methi, turmeric, garam masala, some more salt, colossal. So you've got all the base gravy here. We're going to have a look at the massive pot plate base gravy cooking soon. This is the homemade Naga. So this is unique to this restaurant. It's made in-house. So we all love Naga chili. So this is Naga chili. You only need a small bit of this to go into your curries. Transforms the taste, gives it that beautiful, tangy, unique Naga taste. And this is what gives you a unique restaurant taste. Not many people would have this type of dedication at home. So you've got chopped fresh mushroom, you've got par-cooked potatoes there. They'll be cooked al dente so they don't fall apart once they're cooked, with a little bit of black seed, a little bit of turmeric and salt, pre-cooked onions, pre-cooked lamb, chicken tikka, pre-cooked onions, chicken cooked, it looks like, with some base gravy. You've got all the masala sauces, get that bright red masala sauce to give the tanginess to the dishes. You've got your jalfrezi mix, you've got your pre-cooked chicken, your shredded chicken and spinach. So colossal amount of work just preparing all these ingredients. So all the whole spices, and sometimes you just need a few things just for the certain dishes. I think there's around 300 dishes on the menu with combinations and customer requests. All the garnish here, fresh garlic, paneer, pickle tray here, usually for poppadoms.
Yes, definitely. We have mango chutney, and then we have our in-house chili sauce, and then we have our onion chutney, which is just cucumber, onions, carrots, coriander, a bit of cucumber, and then we have the mint chutney.
Any kasuri methi or pepper, salt?
No, we've just got a bit of mint, so no methi, just mint.
And what about the green one?
The green one is got a base sauce which consists of mango chutney, pickles, yogurt, fresh mint, coriander, and that's what you get out of it.
And how about the chili sauce?
The chili sauce is all chili flakes, ketchup, tamarind, chili powder, mint, and that's about it really. That's the ketchup that gives you the colour, the tanginess, and obviously with the mango chutney as well. And with a bit to balance that, we use sugar to balance it with the heat. So it's like a sweet, hot, sour.
So there's mango chutney in all of them?
Yep.
Besides this?
That's right, that's correct.
Tandoor, butter ghee, brushing those beautiful naans. So the balls are rested for 2 to 3 days, and that's what gives the naan its really fluffy, light texture. So self-raising flour, milk, eggs,
and black seed.
and black seed, as you can see here, Nigella seed, really tasty in the naan bread.
Sugar as well, sugar.
Oh, sugar.
Yes.
So one Peshwari naan coming up.
Yes.
Great. So what have we got here? Coconut.
Coconut, almond, sugar, cream.
Seal the deal.
Yes.
Into a little bit of flour. Straight in, no cushion. And don't underestimate the temperature of that. Nice and warm on the hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So what's interesting about Peshwari naan is Peshawar is a city in Pakistan, and I know a lot of people from Peshawar, they've never heard of a Peshwari naan. So I'm not sure whether it's a British thing or anybody could give me some advice on the authenticity of the description would be much appreciated.
Another one.
Wow, that's a big box of ginger.
Yeah. Ginger paste.
Smells good. And the garlic. Wow, very labour intensive there. Look at all those beautiful chunks of garlic. Do you make this into a paste?
Yes.
Fresh coriander.
Yes.
Wow. How many boxes do you get through?
2 box.
Yeah, wow. Do you use the stalks for any reason?
Yeah, we did any.
Base gravy, or what do you use the stalks for?
Just for the curry.
Oh yeah, garnish.
Yeah, garnish on curries on top.
Yeah.
Every curry. Well, more later on today. But this is the chicken tikka that goes into the curries.
So this is boneless. Nice.
Marinated chicken tikka.
Everything smells so good. When you
I should think so.
first come in, you can smell everything separate, and it's just far more intense than a lot of people doing it at home.
Carrots.
So one huge pot of base gravy. So what's in your base gravy, Reg?
Onions, peppers, carrots, just oil and spices. But the full spices are going just turmeric in there. Peeled tomatoes.
40 litre pan?
About roughly that, yeah, or 50.
Couple. Smells great.
Yes.
How long does it take to boil?
It's about 3 hours.
Yeah. nice juicy king prawns, marinated with a bit of tomato masala.
Yeah, and with herbs.
Into some hot oil. Smells really, really good. Tails off.
Totoo, teka, ilizid. Kahoy to din. Nakaya din.
Tarka dal.
Yeah.
And
That's garlic chili vegetable.
wow, garlic chili veg.
This is our special sauce.
So this isn't Mr. Naga, you're just
No,
using
no,
the
no,
same
no.
bottle.
Yeah, no.
This is story.
This is called Kamal Naga, specially from my restaurant Atherstone. From turf to table is all us. Please, there's nothing much on there. This is just a little sample for you to try.
Would you like to? I've got a glass of water here.
Okay.
I love chilies.
Okay.
I'm just going to dip my tongue in.
Yeah, let it go around your mouth.
Already I can feel the potency.
Yeah, but I want.
I'm going to give you the spoon back. Very fruity.
It
Very
is.
aromatic.
Yeah.
It's hot, but not on the. I'm not on the verge of running out to go to the bathroom or. So yeah, that's strong. Very, very tasty. So how much would you recommend you put in a dish?
Depending on the client, if they're used to spicy food, somebody that likes a vindaloo and onwards would use a whole chili from this
Yeah.
and cook with it
Yeah.
from the beginning. Then that way, the whole dish is infused with the complete flavour. Don't forget.
Can I have the spoon back?
Yeah, of course you
Do you
can.
know why? That's actually really nice.
Yes.
Really
You want to substitute that flavour with anything else. You know the main reason for this is capturing the flavour.
It is very flavourful.
Yeah. But if you want the flavour, you also have to put up with the pain of the heat.
Yeah. It's not like a green chili where you just get
No,
acidity.
no.
This is very, very aromatic, very fruity.
This is the best way for me to explain it to you is this seed has travelled 6,500 miles initially, about 7-8 years back.
Yeah, wow.
We started off with one plant.
Okay. So cuttings and
Yeah, no, the seed came. We started off with one plant. From that
Right.
first year's harvest, we got a jar full, about this size, let's say. And then from second year onwards was a very good harvest. And then every year in season, we plant, we harvest once a year.
yeah.
Back into the season around probably late August, early September, maybe up to October. And then we make this sauce, especially in my kitchen. And then this has to last us until the whole of the next year.
Yeah.
So it is more unique to us. It's a very, sometimes my brother here would call it the illegal Naga,
Yeah.
because that's how powerful and potent it is.
Yeah.
But I challenge anybody to create a better sauce than this, and organic.
Beautiful.
And
Have my lips gone shiny?
I
Yeah.
know how you feel, bro.
Yeah, face gone red, you're
haven't had
sweating.
Any water? Little bit of
you-
in the eye.
much as though anybody says after having this, no, it's not hot. They can say much as they want, because all you have to do is just look at their perspiration, and that gives it away.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't cheat.
And,
So
and this one here, the green one, is the milder one.
I wouldn't. Oh, okay, a milder one.
That's the milder one.
But I only had a bit of the liquid.
Yeah, that's all you had.
Imagine if you had
That's more
Red
hotter,
one.
but there is a maroon one in there.
Yeah.
That's the most hottest one. Excuse us for the jar, because we are using somebody else's jar, but this is what we keep it in. This is not our own jar. But
So I'm going to be making on Friday, so a couple of days from this video, I will be making a chicken naga in my own kitchen.
yes, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
nice. Cheers.